Yo, what's up guys, it's Griffin GFX. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these sick, shiny, three-dimensional characters using Kittl A.I and Photoshop to perfect the designs. I feel like these make the perfect album covers. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you the kind of prompts I use, how I do it in Kittl, and then what I do in Photoshop, how you can expand one of your scenes, how you can change skin colors or eye colors, or how you can change entire clothing pieces and add or remove details. So when you're making your 3D models, you can either go crazy with the prompt, or you can get a grayscale 3D model with nothing but the lighting so that you can do all of the coloring yourself, like this for example. Yeah man, I've had loads of fun making these recently. I did a post on my Instagram, which rapper is signed to the devil, where I created a bunch of my favorite artists being watched by an evil presence with the devil behind them. You can go follow my Instagram down in the description. I'll teach you everything you need in this video, from what kind of prompt to use, how to add a reference image so you get it in the exact style you want, exactly how the prompt should be laid out so that the scene, the ambience, the lighting, the colors, the outfits and everything like that comes out perfectly. So without any more schnaddle and crabble, get your crabs, get your apples, get your buckets. Let's get into the tutorial. So when you're in Kittl, you can get my affiliate link in the description. Open up a canvas in Kittl, go to the image generation tool, add your own style to the generation. You can use mine or upload your own. It will use that as inspiration when generating. Add as much prompt as you want. I actually find the more details makes a better outcome. I like to remind it it's going to be a 3D character, it's going to be a rapper. I let it know what gender, what color I want the hair to be. I put something to do with the character's position. Is it dancing? Is it meditating? Clothing, t-shirt, the shoes. I go into every little detail. Once you've got what you're looking for as like a good building block, you can use Photoshop to take things further. Using the AI that's inbuilt into Photoshop now, if you have the recent updates, the AI can actually expand your image and it can change elements of your design to whatever you desire. In some cases you might be happy with what you already have, in which case I might just do some color grading to the scene before the design gets used or sent to the client, just to make sure it's sweeter than the mother chicken turkey. If any of you guys end up making one of these, I'd love to see them. Send them to me or jump on a Discord. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video if you can be bothered to watch it. Great.